That sound. The jagged edges. The fear of cutting too deep. For something so simple, we've put up with a surprisingly primitive tool for far too long. But what if I told you that in 2026, the humble nail clipper has undergone a revolution? We've tested the first batch of intelligent, electric nail groomers, and they're not just a minor upgrade. They're a perfect, pain-free, and perfectly smooth solution for everyone from toddlers to seniors. What you're about to see will make you never look at that old metal clipper the same way again. Number 1. 2 Speeds Automatic Nail Trimmer. Our electric nail clipper simplifies the nail care routine with its one-button operation. Bid farewell to the hassle of traditional clippers and achieve perfectly trimmed nails effortlessly. This electric nail clipper offers precise trimming without manual effort, ideal for baby nail care and arthritic hands. 2-in-1 electric nail clipper. Our innovative electric nail clipper combines trimming and polishing in one convenient device. With hidden blades and precision cutters, it ensures safe and comfortable nail care, ideal for babies as well. The clipper includes a nail chip storage function for effortless cleanup and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. USB rechargeable design. Our automatic nail trimmer is designed with USB rechargeability and dual speed options, high and low. It features a built-in LED light for gentle nighttime nail care illumination. To operate, simultaneously press both buttons, using the left button for polishing and the right for trimming. Adjust speeds as needed and avoid over-trimming by refraining from prolonged focus on one area. Number 2. 3-in-1 electric nail clipper. Simply open the lid, press the power button, and start grooming, no assistance needed. Designed for both right and left-handed users, this electric nail file offers easy, convenient operation for effortless at-home nail care. Wrap gift ergonomic design. Our automatic nail clipper features an ergonomic shape for a comfortable and secure grip. Designed for ease of use, it lets you trim nails quickly and precisely without needing to watch the device, ensuring a safe and flawless grooming experience every time. Wrap gift nail clippers with catch. This electric nail trimmer includes a built-in nail shavings collector, keeping your space clean and preventing nail clippings from scattering during use for a hassle-free grooming experience. Wrap gift 2-speed models and rechargeable. These electric nail clippers for adults offer 2 adjustable speed settings. Press once for low speed and press again for high speed. Designed for one-handed operation, it delivers efficient and automatic nail trimming with ease. Number 3. 3-in-1 automatic electric nail clipper. Just press the button. The electric nail clipper can complete nail trimming, nail sanding/filing and vacuuming nail residue at the same time. Compared with traditional nail clippers, this electric nail clipper makes manicure so easy, clean, smooth. Safe nail care for all ages. Designed with a blade recessed structure and safety lock, this electric nail clipper ensures a painless and secure nail grooming experience for adults, seniors. The ergonomic design is suitable for those with limited dexterity or hand discomfort. Adjustable speeds and easy operation enhance nail trimming with adjustable high and low speeds. Begin with a 2-second press for low speed, switch to high speed swiftly, and power off with a long press for user-friendly control. Built-in nail debris storage box. The automatic nail clippers have a built-in debris storage box, which can be automatically stored after trimming the nails. Dump the nail debris by rotating the button, and then clean it with a brush. You no longer have to worry about the cut nail debris everywhere. Number 4. PediLux Pro Professional Manicure. When you buy Utilize, you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in a commitment to quality and service. While others are fixated on taking shortcuts to reduce costs, we refuse to follow suit. Our approach involves crafting premium products meticulously, sparing no detail in the process, all while maintaining a fair price point. We offer free replacements for 3 years, ensuring peace of mind if anything goes wrong, with no questions asked. Additionally, our customer support is handled by real humans, situated right here in the USA. No robots, no AI, just genuine assistance from dedicated professionals who are ready to address any concerns or inquiries. And that's how you turn a daily chore into a moment of self-care. Whether it's for your kids, your pets, or yourself, the future of grooming is safe, precise, and incredibly easy. To get your hands on these revolutionary devices, every single product link and the best pre-order deals are neatly organized for you in the video description below. If you're ready to never have a bad nail day again, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family, and subscribe for more reviews that upgrade your everyday life. Stay smooth!